Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I am so excited for our conversation today.
Me too. The weather has been so warm recently, and it really makes me think about summer.
Oh, for sure. Are you a summer person, Charles?
I really am. I love the warm sun, and my absolute favorite place in the world is the beach.
Yes, I completely agree. There is truly nothing better than a beach day.
Exactly. So today we are going to talk about a daily routine at the beach.
That sounds like a perfect topic. We can learn a lot of fun summer vocabulary together.
Yep, step by step. So, how does a perfect beach day start for you?
Well, I like to wake up very early. I want to see the morning light.
Oh, the sunrise. That is when the sun comes up in the morning. It is always so beautiful.
It really is. The beach is so quiet and peaceful in the early morning.
Right. I like to drink my morning coffee and just listen to the waves.
The waves sound so relaxing, don't they?
Absolutely. After my coffee, it is time to get ready for the day.
Getting ready is the most important part. What do you put in your beach bag?
Oh, I pack a lot of things. First, I always pack a big beach towel.
A towel is very important. You need it to dry off and to sit on the sand.
And sunscreen. You can never, ever forget sunscreen.
That is a great word for our listeners. Sunscreen protects your delicate skin from the bright sun.
Exactly. I do not want to get a sunburn. A sunburn really hurts.
I know, right? I also pack my dark sunglasses and my favorite flip-flops.
Flip-flops are the best summer shoes. Do you wear them everywhere?
Pretty much all summer long. They are just so easy to put on your feet.
Totally. I also pack a hat to protect my face.
Good idea. Okay, so our beach bag is finally packed and ready to go.
Yes. Now we have to travel to the beach. Sometimes I walk and sometimes I drive.
Driving to the beach can be fun if you play some good music, right?
For sure. I love singing in the car with the windows rolled down.
But parking at the beach can be really difficult sometimes.
Oh, yeah. You have to drive around looking for a parking spot for a long time.
But when you finally park, you feel so happy and excited.
You grab your heavy bag and walk toward the water.
And when you step on the sand, sometimes it is very hot.
Oh, yes. You have to run quickly to the water so your feet do not burn.
It is so funny when people do that funny run on the hot sand.
It really is. Then we usually try to find a good spot to sit down.
I like to sit close to the water. I want to hear the ocean.
Me too. Then we set up our big beach umbrella. Do you use an umbrella?
Always. An umbrella is great for some cool shade.
Yes. I like to catch some rays, but I also need a break from the strong heat.
Wait, catch some rays? What a cool phrase. Can you explain that?
Good question. To catch some rays means to sit in the sun and get a nice tan.
I love that expression. It sounds so natural and native.
It does. And to our listeners, remember, you do not have to memorize every new phrase today.
Exactly. Just listen and enjoy our conversation. Learning happens naturally, step by step.
For sure. So, you are sitting under your umbrella. What do you do next?
Well, if I'm really hot, I definitely need to take a dip.
Take a dip. That is another great summer phrase we use a lot.
Yep, taking a dip just means going into the water for a quick, refreshing swim.
I love taking a dip in the ocean. I also like to float in the water.
It really does. It washes all of your everyday stress right away.
After a nice swim, I like to just chill out on my warm towel.
Chill out. That means to relax and do nothing, right?
Yes, I just chill out. Maybe I read a good book or just close my tired eyes.
Reading on the beach is my favorite thing to do. I can read for hours.
Do you ever accidentally fall asleep on the beach?
Oh, all the time. The soft sound of the ocean makes me so sleepy.
It is like a natural lullaby. But you must be careful not to sleep too long in the direct sun.
That is very true. That is exactly why we reapply our sunscreen often.
Good advice. You know, talking about all this makes me so excited for our next trip.
We too. I love traveling. The beach is just a magical place.
I completely agree. Where is your absolute favorite beach in the whole world, Rachel?
Oh, that is a hard question. I think I love the beautiful beaches in Florida the most.
Those are stunning. I love the clear blue water down there.
How about you? And honestly, I wonder about everyone listening right now, too.
Oh, that is a great question for them. Let us know in the comments. What is your favorite beach activity?
Yes, leave a comment down below. And while you're there, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Absolutely. It really helps us grow. And you can even share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you guys for always supporting our channel. You are simply the best.
All right, back to our fun beach day. We swam, we relaxed, and now I'm getting very hungry.
Oh, being at the beach always makes me so hungry. What do you usually eat?
I like to bring very simple snacks in a cooler, like some fresh fruit or maybe a sandwich.
Sandwiches always taste so much better at the beach, don't they?
They totally do, but you have to be very careful with the blowing sand.
Yes. Nobody likes eating a sandy sandwich. It ruins the lunch.
Exactly, and drinking plenty of fresh water is also so incredibly important.
Very true. You have to stay hydrated when you are sweating in the sun all day long.
Do you ever buy fun snacks directly at the beach?
Oh, always. If I see a small ice cream stand, I just have to stop.
Ice cream is the perfect summer treat. What is your favorite flavor to get?
Strawberry for sure. It is so cold and refreshing on a hot day.
That sounds delicious, and buying ice cream is actually a great way to practice your English.
Oh, that is a really good point, Charles. I love that idea.
Yes, when you travel to a new place, you can practice ordering food in English.
I know it can feel a little scary to speak directly to native speakers.
It is completely normal to feel nervous, but just take a deep breath and smile.
Yes, they will definitely understand you. You can just say, "1 strawberry ice cream, please."
Exactly. Keep the grammar very simple. People are usually very friendly and helpful.
And if you make a small mistake, it is okay. You still get to eat your ice cream.
That is the best part. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying your best.
I love that mindset. Never let fear stop you from enjoying your wonderful vacation.
Step by step, your speaking confidence will naturally grow. Just believe in yourself.
Beautifully said. Okay, so after lunch, what do we do in the late afternoon?
When the sun starts to go down a little, I love to take a long walk.
Me too. The wet sand is cooler and the evening light is so pretty.
Yes, photographers call that the golden hour. It is perfect for taking beautiful photos.
Do you ever look for interesting seashells when you walk by the water?
Oh yeah, I always look for cool rocks and pretty shells on the wet sand.
It is a very peaceful activity. The beach really changes its mood in the evening.
It really does. It goes from fun and loud to quiet, cool, and calm.
Have you ever built a big sandcastle, Charles?
Oh, of course. When I was a kid, I built sandcastles all the time.
It is so fun to dig in the soft sand. Even adults can enjoy it.
Totally. Sometimes I also see people playing beach volleyball in the afternoon.
Beach volleyball looks like a lot of fun, but it looks very tiring, right?
Yes, running in the deep sand is a real workout.
I prefer just throwing a frisbee gently back and forth.
That is a great beach game, too. It is relaxed and easy to do.
Have you ever met new friends while playing games at the beach?
Yes, sometimes people just walk by and ask if they can join the game.
That is another great chance for our listeners to practice their English.
Exactly. You can just smile and say, "Sure, join us."
It is amazing how friendly people can be when everyone is relaxed on vacation.
It really is. The beach just makes everybody feel happy and open.
So true. And then, after our walk and our games, we finally get to see the sunset.
Ah, the sunset. When the bright sun goes down and the whole sky turns pink and orange.
It is easily my favorite part of the entire day. The colors are amazing.
It is the absolute best way to end a fun beach day, just quietly watching the sky change.
But then comes the really sad part. We have to pack up all our things and go home.
True. Shaking the wet sand out of the heavy towels is always a big project.
Sand literally gets everywhere, in your bag, in your shoes, in your hair.
But it is a very good kind of tired. You feel completely relaxed after a full day outside.
Definitely. You go home, take a nice warm shower, and you feel incredibly clean.
Yes, and then you eat a big dinner because you are hungry again.
Oh, always. A beach day makes you sleep so well that night, too.
It is the perfect end to a perfect summer day.
It really is. We talked about so many great summer words today, didn't we?
We certainly did. Let's do a quick, simple recap of the most important ones for our learners.
Good idea. First, we talked about the word sunscreen.
Yes, sunscreen, the important cream you use to protect your delicate skin from burning.
Then we learned the phrase, take a dip, which just means to go for a quick swim.
Right, and chill out, which is a very fun, casual way to say relax.
We also talked about the phrase catching some rays, right?
Exactly, sitting quietly in the warm sun. And finally, the word sunset.
The beautiful, colorful moment when the sun goes down at the very end of the day.
Great recap, Rachel. I think our listeners are completely ready for a beach vacation now.
I really think so too. They are prepared.
Okay, to help everyone remember, let's switch things up and start our practice conversation.
That sounds wonderful. I am totally ready when you are.
Hey, Rachel, the sun is so incredibly bright today. Did you put on any sunscreen?
Oh, yes, I did. I definitely do not want to get a painful sunburn today.
Good. I think I'm going to take a quick dip in the ocean right now.
The blue water looks great. I think I will join you in a minute.
Awesome. After we swim, we can just chill out on our towels and read our new books.
That is a perfect plan. I really want to catch some rays before the sunset later.
It is going to be a very beautiful sunset tonight. I can feel it.
And scene. That was a really great little practice conversation.
It was. Listeners, you can easily try practicing those exact lines at home too.
Yes, try to say them out loud. It really helps to improve your speaking confidence.
Well, that is unfortunately all the time we have for today's virtual beach trip.
We sincerely hope you enjoyed this sunny episode as much as we did.
Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a happy comment below.
We truly love reading all of your stories. See you next time, everyone.
Keep learning, and remember, you can do it. Bye, Rachel.
Bye, Charles. Bye, everyone.